Today we are in chapter number 4, and here we'll discuss how to represent linear equation in two variables in graphical form. So here, if different values of x and y that has been given to you, and different solution of x and y that you will get, those solution you have to plot on the graph. Let's watch the video. Student, we'll continue chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. And today's topic is graph of a linear equation in two variables. So, how to draw the graph based on linear equation in two variable. So, when an equation will be given to you, and from the equation you have to find different values of x and y, and that you have to represent in graphical form. Okay, so we can take one example: x plus y equal to 8. So x and y are the two variables that is given to you. So from here you have to find different values of x and y. So what we'll do, x plus y is equal to 8, and you are finding x. So x will be equal to 8, then plus y, which is on left hand side, you bring in right hand side. So the sign will change, it will become minus y. So this is one equation that you have already prepared. X is equal to 8 minus y, correct? If y you will take 2, what would be x? So x will be equal to 8 minus, in the place of y you write here 2, that is 8 minus 2 will be 6. Okay. So another one you can take, 2 is enough. Okay. If y is equal to 3, what will be x? So you use the equation x equal 8 minus y. So in the place of y you write here 3. So x will be equal to 8 minus 3, you will get 5. Correct? So we got two solutions, that is x by y. Before we have taken x 6, y 2, and the other one x 5 and y 3. So these are the two solutions of x and y. Based on this information, you have to draw the graph. We got different values of x and y. Now this value you have to put on this graph. Check the first one, x 6 and y 2. So from 0 you check where is 6. So 6 we got here. Okay, and y is 2, so it will come here. So that is the coordinate. You put one dot here. Okay, and here in bracket you can write 6 and 2. Always you remember, the first value will be of x axis and the second is of y axis. Next solution is 5 and 3. So x 5 and y 3. So it will come here. Correct? So this is the another coordinate. In bracket you write x 6 and y x5 and y3, correct? Then what you have to do, you have to join these 2 points, and always you remember, when you join, it should give us a straight line. So in that way we already joined, correct? Then on the line itself you can write here the equation, that is x plus y equal 8. Write this equation in this way. So this is how we can represent linear equation in 2 variable in graphical form. Student, let's see example number 5. Given the point 1 and 2, find the equation of a line on which it lies. How many such equations are there? Since we know the first value that is given here, that is 1, it represents x-axis, and the second value, that is 2, it represents y-axis. And based on this, you have to prepare an equation. So it's very simple. So first equation we will prepare, that is x plus y is equal to, so what is the value of x here? 1. The value of y is 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. So in that way, one equation we already prepared. In the same way, we can also prepare different equation, that is the value of x is given how much? 1. So here, since y is given 2, so if you write here x is equal to y, correct? X is equal to y. Now if x is 1 and y is 2, are both sides equal? No, it is not equal. How can we make it equal? Since y is given 2 here, you can see y is 2, but x is 1. So we can make it equal by putting the value as 2 here. So 2 into 1, 2, and y is given 2. So both sides is equal. Twice x is equal to y will be the second equation, correct? So in that way, many equations you can prepare. So you have to think logically. You should know what are the values of y and x that is given to you, and you prepare an equation in such a way that your left hand side, what will be the value, should be equal to the right hand side, and their value should be same. Then only it will form an equation, correct? Let us represent it in graphical form. So student, now in this graph you place the value of x and y. Okay student, now let us see the first one, the first equation. Okay, x plus y is equal to 3. Now what is x? X will be equal to 3 minus y. Okay, 3 minus y. So this is the equation that we got. Now if y is equal to 0, suppose you will take y as 0, so what will be x? So x would be equal to 3 minus 0, and that is equal to 3. So the value of x we got how much? 3. If you take the value of y as 2, so what will be x then? 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1, correct? 1. In the same way, if you take the value of y as 3, correct? So what will be the value of x then? X is equal to 3 minus y, and y we have taken how much? 3. So x will be equal to 0. So these are the different values of x and y you got here. Correct, na? X and y. Okay. So in the first case, y we have taken 0. So x how much we got? We got 3. Then y we have taken 2. X how much we got? We got 1. Y you have taken 3, and x we got 0. Understood? Now based on this information or the values of x and y, just you plot on this graph. So the first solution you see, x is 3 here, correct? But y is 0. So this will be the coordinate. Correct? Second one you see, x is 1 and y is 2. So it will come here. Okay. Third one you see, x is 0 but y is 3. So it will come in this point. Understood? This way you join it. So where are the coordinates? Their values you write here. So in this case you can write 3 and 0. This point you can write 1 and 2, and here you can write 0 and 3. Is it okay? So in that way we can represent the equations, that is x plus y equal to 3 in graphical form. Understood? So they are asking how many such equations are there. So you can find infinite number of equations. It is not only one equation, so many different equations. I have written 2 equations here, you can see. X plus y is equal to 3, and the second one is twice x is equal to y. So how many equations we have done? We have done 2 equations. So in that way, many equations that you can prepare by taking the value of x as 1 and taking the value of y as 2. Correct? Now, infinite number of lines can be drawn. You understood? So we are getting different values of x and y, and from that we can draw infinite number of lines. Is it okay? Now let us see the second equation that is given, twice x equal y. You have seen, na? Twice x equal y. Let us solve this equation. So second one you see, twice x is equal to y. Correct? Or also you can write y is equal to twice x. Just I have interchanged the side. Okay? Now if x you will take it as 1, so what will be y? So y will be 2 into 1, and that is equal to 2. If x you are taking as 2, so what will be y? So y will be equal to 2 into 2, how much? 2 2 ja 4. Correct? In the first case, I have taken x as 1 and y we got how much? 2. In the second case, I have taken x as 2 and y how much we got? We got 4. Correct? So this value also we can plot on the graph. You understood, na? Now you can see by taking x as 1, here is x1, and y we have to take 2, so here will be 2. Correct? 1 and 2 we got the same point, we can see here, na? Same place we got. Second one you see, x is 2 and y will be 4. Another point will come here. Another point will come here. By taking x as 2, this is 2, and y is 4, it will come till here. Correct? So here also we can draw one more line. Correct? And you will find that this line is joining in this way. That is the new line, and that is of equation number 2. And what is the equation here? Number 2, that is twice x is equal to y. Okay, twice x is equal to y. This is equation number 2. And the first equation was what? X plus y equal to 3. So here we can write x plus y equal to 3. You understood? So as you can write different equation, as you write different equation, I have written only 2 equations in this case, but you can find different equations with the value of 1 and 2. Understood? And when you plot on the same graph, you will find that infinite number of lines can be drawn. Correct? So 2 lines we have already seen. In the same way, infinite number of lines can be drawn. Student, let's solve example number 6. Draw the graph of x plus y equal 7. X plus y equal 7. Correct? Now this is the equation that has been given to you. And if you are taking x, so x will be equal to what? 7. Then plus y you write on the other side, it will become minus y. Correct? Now if you take the value of y as 2, so what will be x? So write here x is equal to what? 7 minus y. So you write 7 minus, in the place of y you write here 2. So 7 minus 2 is how much? That is 5. Then if y, if you are taking 3, then what will be x? So x is equal to what? 7 minus y. So 7 minus y, in the place of y you write here 3. So how much you will get? You will get 4. Correct? If y you are taking it as 4, then what will be x then? Again you use the equation x equals 7 minus y. So 7 minus, in the place of y you write here 4. So 7 minus 4 how much? That is 3. So you got 3 solutions of x and y. How many solutions? 3 solutions of x and y. Correct? The first solution, let us see. X we got 5 and y we took 2. So x you write 5 and y you write 2. Second solution, you see, x we got 4 by using y as 3. So write here 3. And the third solution we got x as 3 and y 4. Correct, na? So in that way, 3 different solutions of x and y we already got by taking this equation x plus y is equal to 7. Now this you have to represent in graph. So student, you can see in this graph you have to represent 3 different solutions that you got. So first x you take 5, you can see in the chart here x is 5 and y is 2. So in the place of x axis you go with positive 5 and positive 2, that is the value of y. Correct? And put one dot here and bracket you write 5 comma 2. Second solution, you see x 4 and y 3. So x 4 and y 3. So here will be the another dot. So in bracket you write x 4 and y 3. Third solution, you see x 3 and y 4. So x 3 and y 4. Here it will come. Correct? Now you join it. Join this line. Okay. Then down part you write the equation. What is the equation given here? X plus y is equal to 7. Correct? And you can also name it. Okay. Each of the point you can name it. You give it point A. Here you can write point B, and here you can write point C. And this is how we can draw the graph. Student, we are solving example number 8 for each of the graph given in figure 4.5. Number 1, this is the figure. Select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. Now, these are the choices that is given to you. First one, x plus y equal to 0. Second, y equal to twice x. Third, y equal to x. And the fourth one, y equal twice x plus 1. Out of these 4 equation, which equation is satisfying the graph or figure 1? Correct? That only you have to find out. Now, let us see the first one. That is x plus y is equal to 0. Now here the value of x is 1. Correct? So if you put here 1 plus the value of y is given 2, you put here 2. That is equal to 0. So 1 plus 2 is what? We are getting 3 is equal to 0. Is 3 and 0 equal? No, they are not equal. Correct? So from one of these coordinate we understood that x plus y equal 0 is not the equation. So you can write therefore x plus y equal to 0 is not the equation. Correct? Not the equation of figure 1. Understood? So no need to solve the other one, because from the first only we understood that it is not equal. Now let us see the second one. Y equal twice x. Now if you see the first coordinate 1 and 2, the value of y is given 2 here. So you can write here 2. Then twice into x. So what is the value of x given here? That is 1. So you write here 1. So you'll get 2 is equal to 2 1 how much? That is 2. So we found that y is equal to twice x. That is correct for the first coordinate. Understood, na? So for the first coordinate it is correct. Let us see the second coordinate here. That is y is equal to twice x. So if you take y as 0 equal twice into x, x also 0. So both sides you will find 0, because 2 into 0 is 0. So it also satisfied the second coordinate. That is the third one, minus 1 and minus 2. Again just you use the equation y is equal to twice x. So what is y? That is minus 2. So you write here minus 2. Then twice into x. What is the value of x here? Minus 1. So you write here minus 1. And solve. 2 into minus 1, you will get minus 2. So in this case also we found that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore you can write y equal twice x is a you can write, so y equal twice x is the equation of figure 1. That is correct. Now next you try with the third equation. Is the third equation satisfying the figure? Let's see. Y is equal to x. Check the first one. What is the value of y given here? That is 2. What is the value of x given here? That is 1. Is 2 equal to 1? No, they are not equal. So directly you can write, therefore y equal x is not the equation. Correct? Is not the equation of figure 1. So you try the fourth one. Y equal twice x plus 1. Now here what is the value of y given in the first coordinate? Y given 2. So you write here 2. Then twice into x. What is the value of x given here? That is 1. So you write here 1 plus 1. So 2 equal, 2 1 how much? 2 plus 1. So 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Correct? If the first coordinate is not satisfying this equation, so directly you can write, therefore y equal twice x plus 1 is not the solution. Sorry, not the equation. Correct? Not the equation of figure 1.